welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. It is full disclosure, by the way, it is like first week of December and I still haven't gotten in the whole Christmassy spirit, but today's the day. We're gonna do so much today and I'm so excited. Right now I'm literally having my breakfast. We have our staple matcha and my avocado toast, and what I am doing just to get into like a little more of like Christmassy vibe is that I'm watching this video. It is Fernanda's video of like romanticizing winter, holidays, Christmas, and yeah, I'm just watching this while I sort of do my breakfast, and then we're gonna get ready. And today we're gonna go and sort of buy some Christmassy things. I'm gonna talk more about that once I'm done with my breakfast and once we are, starting to get ready. I am so full. Okay, anyways, we are picking my outfit. I have like 20 minutes to get ready, and of course I want to wear something cute, Christmassy, but still like normal because it's gonna be a long day. I might carry one more outfit because I have to go for this event, so yeah, definitely I need to carry like one more outfit, but let's figure. We are finally in the car and we are going. It's been a while since like I left my house. There was some work that I was just getting done with, and yeah, now we are out and about. We're gonna first go to the mall and yeah, we're gonna get a few things. I don't know, honestly, I don't have a theme for this year's Christmas, and honestly I am taking another trip, so which is why I'm not gonna be like, I'm gonna be here for Christmas, but I'm not gonna be here like a week before Christmas or something like that. So I don't know, this time I just didn't want to splurge too much, but honestly, me saying this and me going to the mall and then checking everything are going to be two different animals. So I don't know, we're going to see. But yeah, there's no particular theme, there's no Pinkmas, there's no Red Christmas. Whatever I like I'll get, and even with my tree I have something else in my mind. So we're going to see, we're going to figure whatever I like we'll get, and then yeah, we're going to see how it goes. You guys, we have come to the mall, and oh my god, I've come to this mall after so long. We together used to come to this mall so often, but then yeah, whatever, we are here now. We have come to Pret first because oh my god, we were both so hungry. I am having a falafel bowl, and then there's croissant. Yes, I love the croissants from Pret, and yeah, I'm just gonna like literally stop talking and start eating. I'm so hungry. We are playing Last Christmas, guys. We were distracted, and when I say we, I actually mean Anik got distracted with time zone, so we played like a few games, and then guys, Anik has won me this really cute polar bear, and it is so cute. Now we are back on track. We are okay. We have H&M right in front of us, so we're gonna check H&M home. I knew H&M would have Christmas stuff, and they do, guys. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna get a few things. I'm so excited. Oh my god, Anik,
so
look at this.
The polar bear which we
This
won
is
was
so
feeling
cute.
alone, so I got a family for him.
That is
We
so.
have monkey and we have
Are you
llama.
kidding?
It's so cute. We're getting
This is so cute.
such a nice family.
Aww. I think I've gotten most of the things from H&M Home. I was so happy. And yeah, I know. And then yeah, we got a lot of things from H&M Home, and I honestly love H&M Home. Everything is cute, minimal, nice, aesthetic. But we are also going to Daiso because I love Daiso and they always have like Christmas things. So let's see. Oh, there's also Unisoul. We are now going to Plaza. We went there like 2 days back, and
Yeah.
we are going again. I want to get a few things from Muji. We're gonna see like winter Christmas wear, not fully Christmas, but like cozy winter wear. And then I don't know. I think we've checked like a lot of brands there, so I don't know if we're gonna do that today. I am in Muji right now and I am trying a couple of pieces that I've picked. So this pink jumper is the first thing that I've tried and I really like it, even though it's a size M. I feel like I like the loose kind of fit. I'm taking this for sure. I love it. We have the same jumper, but this one is a size S and also like a different color. Again, I like this also. I've also tried these pants. This is such a weird, funny angle. But yeah, these are just like some waffle pants in beige. I love how they feel. Like they're so comfortable. So I think I'm gonna pick these two. Also, guys, just in case this is not clear to you guys, I am shopping for a trip. I'm not gonna wear these in Mumbai. So yeah, this is just like cute because I can use some of the pieces here and some of these are for my travels, which you all will know about soon. But let me put this on. So funny, so cute. We are now going to Sofitel for their Christmas tree lighting. I don't know if it's done or are we late or something. I think we are on time and I think we should be able to see it, but if not, then we'll see all the decor. And then we have our dinner here, which I'm excited for. It's my first time entering Sofitel, just by the way. So yeah, I changed my top, of course you all can see that. So yeah. We are all ready to set up the Christmas tree. Guys, firstly, I am loving how I look. Thank you, Anik, for getting it. Can you please show yourself also? Wait. Wow.
How does it look?
Very cute.
With the green t-shirt.
This is so cute. Okay, now we need to get our Christmas tree out and then we're gonna start setting it up. So guys, this box has a lot of my Christmas decor from like past years. And I honestly forgot about it, but it has like cute things. I can put them here and there. And then this also has like my lights and some like ornaments and stuff. So this is what we have, but let me show you all some new things that I got. I am literally sitting on the floor, but I went to H&M Home. That was the only place I got stuff from. And wait, let me show you all. So we have this tree house. It doesn't light up, you can't put a candle in it, but like it just looks so pretty and cute, so I'm just gonna put it as a showpiece somewhere. And then we have a Christmas candle, and it has like sparkles and it's so pretty. It smells very warm and very nice, so I got that. Then we have like these three really cute plushies which I'm gonna put on my tree. I have no idea how because they are actually really big, but like this is a monkey, this is a squirrel, and then this is a llama. Guys, these are the cutest things ever. And then we have this polar bear which is actually a like candle stand, and then I got candles for it too. Wait, these are the candles with bows on them. They are so pretty and they are gonna look so cute. And then we have these two table mats. They have bows, but I'm gonna put them on my nightstand. We're gonna see. And then I got this cushion cover, very fuzzy, very cute. So I think yeah, I should start decorating. Just by the way, my Christmas tree, the stand for my Christmas tree is just lost somewhere, so we have called for it. So it's gonna take a bit till then. I think I should do the rest of my house in whatever way possible. This time I'm just being very chill with it, doing what I like, and yeah, I'm really excited. The tree is up. Credits to majorly Anik, he has done majority of this, and now we're gonna start setting it up. Also, the vibe here looks so pretty, like the tree here and then the projector, which I absolutely love. My projector, yeah, I have like this big box where I've put in all my baubles, so let me just show you all that and then we'll start putting them. No, we can't put such heavy things, it's gonna like topple. The stand is not the biggest, like it's just a bit wobbly, the tree, but we'll manage. We have quite a few. I think these are gonna be more than enough. We're gonna start with the newest one, maybe this with the mushroom. Are almost done, but I have a few more things which are not like baubles or like ornaments, but I'm still gonna put them. Firstly, this fridge magnet from Paris. I've not been there, but I want to. And then this I got from my LA trip. This is from my New York trip, and this also I got from New York. I don't remember where is this from, but it's so cute. And then this little car for my F1 obsession, and lastly this, which I got from Seoul. So I think this is just like my way of personalizing my tree, and I really want like certain ornaments to just be cute and stupid at the same time, you know what I mean? my house, especially my living room. It is looking so pretty. I need to show you all everything. I am so happy right now. Everything looks so dreamy. Of course, we have my really pretty Christmas tree. It is looking so cute and just so nice. It has these little things that I really wanted to put everywhere. And yeah, all the ornaments that I had from before, I've put it. There are some bags that I put from like a while ago. They are all empty, by the way. And then I'm most excited to show you all this. My family right here. That's the big one which I got from IKEA. And then this croissant which I got from New York. These three I got recently. I showed you all from H&M, and this one Anik one. This all looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed. This is my side table. I like just curated this like little tray. This one is also a Christmas candle, and then the disco ball with the bow. This looks so cute. A moment for my couch, because wow, I could literally sleep here all day because it looks so cute and cozy. And then I remembered I have this throw from last year, and I'm so excited. It looks so cute. Let me just like bring it here, and it looks perfect. And then here also I put the table mat along with the lighthouse. This is a new candle along with like a Christmas carol book. Oh my god, you guys, I am obsessed. Look at everything. And of course we have some cozy music playing on the projector. Perfect. On my dining table I put my mini Christmas tree along with a candle, and then this sparkly house. Nothing major, but just this much. Looks so festive. I moved this big rack, and on this one I have of course my polar bears along with the candles, a mini Christmas tree, and then this is a Lego which me and Anik made last year. So that's there. Nothing major. Again, I feel like it just goes perfectly with the vibe. Now in my room I was so excited to show you all my nightstand. I put the table mat here. I don't know how it looks, but I think it's fine for now. And then another Christmas tree with just one bauble from Marsh Paris along with their like gift box, and then this little angel right here along with the Christmas candle there. And then on this side I just put like this Christmas hat along with a lot of Christmassy things like some candles, this deer, and then this mini Christmas tree. That's pretty much it. I usually do a lot of things in my room also, but this time I just feel like I didn't buy much, and I was pretty okay with that. I might change my bedding. I have like a white bedding with red hearts, so it might go with the Christmassy theme, but I think I am happy with how it looks because I've done so much in my living room, so I feel like that just compensated for the entire house. Like this time I've not done much in the other room also because I don't know, I just don't have any more Christmas stuff left. So I'm pretty happy with how it looks because the house is in general feeling festive and Christmassy enough. So yeah, I'm really happy.